Mr. C is on vacation. His his German cousin Sven is joining us today.
Yeah, Mr. C, he's my friend, and we come from Germany together. And he had to carve his pumpkin, so he said, "Go down to the air with these two people and do some science together." So he asked me to bring the periodic table, and there's lots of elements, but I brought the best element. You know which one?
Air.
No, the element of surprise. Yeah.
You have some big shoes to fill, Sven.
Yeah, actually I wear size 13. So what we have here is, I made this, actually Mr. C made this and I borrowed it. It's not done yet, so it could be scary.
Does he know you borrowed it?
He does not know, so don't watch this episode.
Oh boy.
What we're going to do is, this is a hovercraft, and it has this envelope down here where the air goes inside and it makes a lift. And what we're going to try to do is, I'm going to try to have one of you ride this, right? Because, like...
You're looking at me.
I'm looking at you because you're super duper cool. I mean,
thanks, rock on.
Chip is very cool too, but you're
really
pretty
cool.
dope. So what we do...
All right, I will
this is
go
a leaf
for
blower,
it.
right? Air. You know what's the best part about air, right?
What is?
What?
It rhymes with hair. Look at this. I'm feeling good today.
Hey, all of our hair is on point today.
Yeah,
they don't say that in the 80s.
Nine, we don't. Okay, look, so what we do here, we're going to try this first to make sure it's working. I'm going to turn this on, and it lifts up, right?
Yes.
So don't be scared. I'm going to fix this just a little bit, yeah. Now I'm going to take this chair because I brought a special purple one. I knew it'd match your outfit. And
You're correct.
I'm going to turn it on. Ask you to sit down once it gets going.
Okay.
Now there's a turbo button I might have you push, so push out more air.
Why can't you keep the controls going? You're depending on me for this?
Chip and I are going to push you.
Oh my God.
Come on, you good sport. Mr. C
You want me to get in it now?
You go ahead, stand on it now.
All right, we got It broke.
Oh no, not broken.
There we go. Get that turbo moving.
My IMC fell out.
Look at that.
Turn it up.
Oh, Julia, that was fantastic.
That was wonderful.
Were you scared?
No, it was fun.
That's science, spooky science today, right?
Very spooky. You know, Mr. C is going to have to one-up you next time.
Yeah.
He's got a lot. He's got a.
He wants to blow something up, but they keep telling him no.
We can work on that.
No.
Well,
We can convince her.
in the meantime, you can always check out Mr. C's website at Learning Science is Fun. Sven, it was very nice meeting you. Thank you for filling in. Give Mr. C a hard time for not showing up.
Yeah.
He's fixing his hair.
No.
Get tips from you.
Auf Wiedersehen.
See ya.
Good seeing you.